Pronoun means सर्वनाम. Definition: words used in place of nouns are called pronoun. କୌଣସି noun को ଥରକୁ ଥର ନ ଲେଖି ତାହା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ଯେଉଁ word use କରାଯାଏ ତାହାକୁ pronoun କୁହାଯାଏ ବା ସର୍ବନାମ କୁହାଯାଏ. Example: Hari is a good boy. Hari reads well. Hari is a good boy. He reads well. Hari ହେଉଛି noun, ତା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ଆମେ ଏଠି he use କଲେ ସେଟା ହେଉଛି pronoun. Kinds of pronoun means pronoun କେତେ ପ୍ରକାରର ହୋଇଥାଏ. First ଜାଣିବା personal pronoun. This pronoun refers or is related to the words which are used in place of nouns referring to person. First person ହେଉଛି I, me, my, mine. ତାର plural ହେଉଛି we, us, our, ours. Second person ହେଉଛି you, your. Plural ହେଉଛି yours. Third person ହେଉଛି he, she, it. और plural ହେଉଛି they, he, her, it. और plural ହେଉଛି their. him ରହୁଛି them. Reflexive pronouns by intensive pronouns. Definition: reflexive pronouns are pronouns that refer back to the subject of the sentence. They end in self as in singular form or in plural form. କୌଣସି verb ଗୋଟିଏ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବା ବସ୍ତୁ ହେଲେ ଯେଉଁ pronoun ଦ୍ୱାରା object को प्रकाश କରାଯାଏ ତାହାକୁ reflexive pronoun ବା intensive pronoun କୁହାଯାଏ. Example: myself, themselves, yourself, ourselves. Distributive pronoun is either and neither are called distributive pronoun because they refer to person or things one at a time. Example: each boy was given a prize. Either road leads to the railway station. Neither association is true. Each, either and neither infinitive pronoun ଗୋଟିଏ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ସମଷ୍ଟି ବା ବସ୍ତୁର ସମଷ୍ଟିକୁ ପୃଥକ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କୁ distributive pronoun କୁହାଯାଏ. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. This pronoun can indicate item in space or time, and they can be either singular or plural, like these, that, those, this, it, this, etc. Example: this is a good book. Rama's book is better than that of Hare. It is this, that. The demonstrative pronoun are plural. This, that plural होची this, those. इसको demonstrative pronoun बोले कहे. Then जानिबा this बदले these are good books. Rama's books are better than that बदले those of Hare. Fourth जानिबा relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, place, things, animals, or ideas. Relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences. କୌଣସି noun ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତେ ଯଦି who, which, that ଏସବୁ ଥାଏ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ noun ଯେକୌଣସି noun ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥାଏ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ relative pronoun କୁହାଯାଏ. ବା relative pronoun ଦୁଇଟି sentence को join କରିକି ରଖିଥାଏ. Example ଜାଣିବା who, whom, which, where, etc. ଏସବୁ ଗୋଟିଏ noun ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥିଲେ ହିଁ ସେଟାକୁ relative pronoun କୁହାଯାଏ. Similar ହେଉଛି who ର which, whose ର whose, whom ର which. Example: I met a man who was blind. Who ହେଉଛି relative pronoun, दुईटी सेंटेंस को जॉइन करके रखी interrogative pronoun. The interrogative pronouns are used for making queries or asking questions. The pronoun who, what, and which are used as interrogative pronouns. कौन से व्यक्ति को प्रश्न कला टाइम रे who, what, which ये सब थिले हमें जानबा कि interrogative pronoun मींस ए सब interrogative pronoun पूर्वरु ही यूज करा जाए. Example, what is your name? It is what होची interrogative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. When a pronoun refers to a person or a thing in a general way, but not to any person or thing in particular, it is called indefinite pronoun. Like any, anyone, none, someone, everyone, everybody, one, etc. ଯେକୌଣସି pronoun को ଆମେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ଆଗରୁ ଏସବୁ anyone, none, someone, everyone, any, everyday, everybody ଏସବୁ ୟୁଜ କରାଯାଏ ତାହାକୁ indefinite pronoun